Hi everyone. So today I am in Yokohama and I am with Sonia San. So Sonia San, आप बताओ कुछ अपने बारे में कि आप कब से रह रहे हो जापान में?
I'm living here for like 2.5 years now, and Yokohama, it's a very calm and nice place, very residential area. But plus everything is very so like reachable. तो आप आराम से कहीं भी जा सकते हो. Weekend vibes are really nice. So yes, and this is what keeps me occupied.
So Athar, do you have something to say? Do you want to say something?
Yeah.
What do you want to say?
In Yokohama, there's like a green park over there, in that side next to our house. And there's a parking car. You can do it to the top and down.
Oh wow, that's so nice. Thank you so much, Athar, for so much information. So we have Ananya with us.
Hello, I'm Ananya. I'm 15 and we've been in Yokohama for 2.5 years, and I think Japan is a really great location to live in.
Thank you so much. So right now I'm in Yokohama and we're gonna explore Yokohama today. Right now we like Sonia San is taking me somewhere, so I don't know where I'm going, but she's taking me to some place. So yeah, just watch the full video. We हम उनके घर के बाहर निकले and there's one location which is a shrine, which is a very old shrine.
Very old shrine. I think it is connected to some very ancient shrines. And during summer, there's a like when summer festivals start. So with this shrine on this whole road, like we have a lot of celebration, food stalls, and it goes on for like 2 to 3 days.
And they
So
make
the
a
road-
procession for the goddess of the shrine, and it's just really pretty.
And there, it also,
Yeah. Athar, have something to say.
that big JJ will come and then it will ride it, it will come.
Yeah, it will come.
Yeah,
It
they
will
will
go
go through the street.
So the street is closed for 3 days for
Okay.
summer festival celebration.
Okay, the summer
around this
festival celebration
It
happens there.
happens around maybe like June,
Okay, in June.
around
Yeah.
the first week
There's
of
so many
June,
food you
and
can
3
eat
days,
there.
complete celebration,
eat soya.
food, games.
Oh, that's so nice.
And also cotton candy.
And cotton candy. Wow. Hey, can you tell me like what do you do when like if there's a tsunami? What do we do?
There's no sound there. We cannot do it.
What do you do when there's an earthquake?
And we go under the table and then
Okay.
and then they will say some mounts, go up to the rooftop and then we'll wear our handbell and go to up to rooftop and we'll wait. And then they will put the faggot up so that the people don't get lost.
Oh,
So
you know
then-
a lot about it. That's so nice.
And when there is a fire drill, then we have to go out the park.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, and also we have a new drill.
Okay.
It's a lock drill.
Oh,
A lock drill, but if it's wheels, then that means we have to call the police.
oh, we have to
If
call the
it's not-
police.
If it's not wheel, then we don't have to call the police.
Okay.
So that time, that
Oh, you look so nice. So अभी हम आए हैं चाइना टाउन योकोहामा का चाइना टाउन एक्सप्लोर करने के लिए. ये सारी स्ट्रीट है चाइना टाउन की योकोहामा में.
खाओ पियो enjoy करो. Best place to eat, roam around, have fun.
enjoy.
Chai tea cafe. Chai tea.
Wait, is that a Malaika store? Malaika store is there in Oita also.
You see? It is.
You're not able to sleep.
Nice.
Oh, let's see.
कपड़े भी इंडियन कपड़े रखे हैं इन्होंने.
सब हरिद्वार में मिलेगा.
ओह,
का मलाइका है, मलाइका आउटलेट.
ये जेजे वाली है. ये जेजे वाली है.
ओके इट सेज इंडो, ये इंडियन मेड इन इंडिया है।
हाँ सूर्या।
सूर्या, ये सूर्या।
पान मसाला।
आओ अचल इधर से आओ।
ये वो झोले हैं जो इंडिया में भी आजकल लोग नहीं उठाते,
हाँ ये हिंदी में लिखा हुआ है सारा।
इसलिए हमने जापानियों को भेजे।
अथर्व 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 अथर्व
अथर्व
अथर्व मम्मा वो ना सारे ब्रेसलेट
ये मैकरम। अगर आपको ऐसा कुछ चाहिए तो आप मुझे ऑर्डर दे सकते हैं।
ओह
अगर आप ऐसा कुछ चाहते हैं तो संपर्क करें वाटर नॉट पे।
how is it?
It's hot, right?
Is it tasty? Is it tasty? Tell.
It's kind of a little bit spicy.
Slightly, right? So good though.
सो अभी हम लोग आए हैं चाइना टाउन के एक टेम्पल में, जो कि कुछ ऐसा दिख रहा है, काफ़ी बहुत बड़ा सा है और बहुत सुंदर दिख रहा है। और मैं इसके अंदर जाके आपको दिखा दूँगी अंदर से कैसा दिखता है। जो टेम्पल है वो कुछ ऐसा दिख रहा है, बट मैं इसके पूरा अंदर नहीं जा सकती क्योंकि ये अलाउड नहीं है यहाँ पर फ़ोटो क्लिक करना। तो यहाँ ऐसा कुछ व्यू है, काफ़ी सुंदर है। चाइना टाउन इन योकोहामा। चलो
रतलाम की गलियों।
मैं हूँ योकोहामा में एंड ये है योकोहामा का फेरीज व्यू जो आप मेरे पीछे देख सकते हो। हाँ जी बताओ।
Ferris wheel, roughly 30 minutes की ride है, but views amazing.
So ये है
Hey guys!
The iconic Yokohama.
If we go inside
This
this
is
place,
Yokohama's
now you
most
can play
iconic
so many
spot.
games. And over here, and if you go inside, there's you can place anywhere you game if you want to, but you need coin for that.
okay, you need coin for that. So Atharv is telling me कि like you can play any game but you need a coin for that. Okay Atharv, only the coin will work.
Yeah.
You wanna go on the ride with me?
On the top?
Yeah, on the top. We'll go together. You wanna go? Let's go.
Okay, but
Oh.
Mama, did you tell when it's time to go? Did you go?
Okay, Mama, tell us what's the time to go? What's the time to go?
No time.
There's no time.
No time.
It's a full 30 minutes ride.
Yeah.
A full 30 minutes ride to the top.
And there's like 2 hours waiting to
Oh.
have 30 minutes.
It's crowded today, so it's probably gonna be a longer wait.
Yeah.
So here they have a moving map. Wherever you go, like you will get to see the place. This shows the history. इसने करके port बनाया योकोहामा. The father of Japan. So अभी हम आए हैं, कहाँ पे आए हैं अभी हम? कहाँ पे आए हैं?
Osanbashi Pier, and this is alongside Red Brick Warehouse, Hammerhead.
Okay, so this is the beach of Yokohama. Like this is port. Like basically,
it's a port.
It's a port. ये
It's a
Yokohama
trading
का
port.
port है, and this looks like this. And मेरे पीछे आप देख सकते हो कितना प्यारा sunset हो रहा है. Nanya, you have seen my pictures and videos. What do you used to think? Like, what's my age?
I thought she was like 24, maybe 25. I was not expecting the answer I got.
世界中で愛されているタバスコソースでフードやドリンクをちょっぴりスパイシーにぜひ気軽に
Red Brick Warehouse, Yokohama Red Brick.
Akaringa in Japanese, but it's Yokohama Red Brick Warehouse.
लाइटिंग बहुत अच्छी है आपके घर की. आओ आप भी आओ. अपने घर समझो. Come with us.
मतलब वो जड़ी का बना हुआ बता